SolidWorks is a powerful computer-aided design (CAD) software widely used for creating 3D models, assemblies, and 2D drawings. Developed by Dassault Systems, SolidWorks provides a comprehensive suite of tools that enable engineers, designers, and drafters to bring their ideas to life with precision and efficiency. One of the key features of SolidWorks is its parametric design capabilities. This means that users can create models that are defined by parameters, allowing for easy modifications and updates. For example, changing the dimension of a part automatically updates the entire model, ensuring consistency and reducing the likelihood of errors. This parametric approach is particularly useful in iterative design processes where changes are frequent. SolidWorks also excels in its user-friendly interface and intuitive workflows. The software is designed to be accessible to both novice and experienced users. With features like drag-and-drop functionality, real-time rendering, and comprehensive tutorials, new users can quickly get up to speed. Experienced users benefit from advanced tools for complex modeling, simulation, and analysis. Another significant aspect of SolidWorks is its extensive library of standard components and materials. This library speeds up the design process by providing ready-made parts that can be easily integrated into assemblies. Additionally, SolidWorks supports collaboration and data management through its integration with PDM, Product Data Management, systems. This ensures that teams can work together seamlessly, with version control and secure data storage. SolidWorks is not just limited to mechanical design, it also offers tools for electrical design, simulation, and product documentation. Simulation tools in SolidWorks allow users to perform stress analysis, thermal analysis, and fluid dynamics simulations, helping to validate designs before physical prototyping. This integration of design and simulation reduces costs and shortens development cycles. Overall, SolidWorks is a versatile and powerful tool that plays a crucial role in modern engineering and design. Its combination of parametric modeling, user-friendly interface, extensive libraries, and simulation capabilities makes it an essential software for anyone involved in product development and design.